Good morning, class 11. How are you? Fine. Now start the chapter number 3rd. Already uploaded to 2 videos. Now the third video is very interesting videos. So you can see in my thumbnail the kinematic equation of uniform acceleration motion. काइनेमेटिक इक्वेशन इट मींस हमने न्यूटन्स के 3 इक्वेशन को प्लॉटिंग करना है, यहाँ पर फाइंड आउट करना है बाय ग्राफिकल मेथड से. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन सी इन माय स्क्रीन kinematic equation for the uniform acceleration motion. So this picture is very clear, this figure is very clear. The graph is the vt graph, velocity time graph. Now particle are starting not origin only for the starting of point A. So initial velocity v naught and final velocity v. Particle moving A to B, then the total changing velocity v minus v naught. Now starting time 0 and now after traveling by the time is t, then the velocity is v. Now particle is moving in uniform acceleration. So by definition of the acceleration, A is equal to change of velocity per unit time. So v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1, it means delta v upon delta t. So A is equal to v minus v naught upon t. Here is the initial velocity v naught and v2 is equal to v. So find the A is equal to v minus v naught upon t. Now the cross multiplication, the AT is equal to v minus v naught. So now second step is the minus v naught is the transferring left hand side, and result value v is equal to v naught plus AT is the first equation of the kinematic equation. It is called the Newton's first equation. Okay, very easy, find out by definition of acceleration. Okay, because you are already given the uniform acceleration motion, so now using the acceleration definition. Now second point is write down. Okay, now second point is the area between O to T. So area between O to T point. There are given two shape. First shape is the area of triangle. ABC plus second area of the rectangle OACD. Okay, this value is the area, this value of the find out, this is the find out of the displacement x, because the time, because the graph is the v and t, so find out the displacement. So x is equal to, now area of the triangle is equal to half base into height. Here is the base AC and height is the BC plus area of the rectangle, here is the OA. OA is equal to DC and this OA is equal to DC is equal to V naught. Similarly OD is equal to AC is equal to T. So now length into breadth of the area of the rectangle. So now OD into DC and AB is equal to AB value is the here is the AC value is already parallel of the OD. So v minus v naught. Okay, so x is equal to 1 upon 2 v minus v naught put t plus v naught t. Okay, now second step is very clear. V minus v naught is replaced by the equation number first. So since a is equal to v minus v naught upon t, now at is equal to v minus v naught. So put the value here, and now the second equation is find out. So first of all write down yes. Now second step is very easy. X is equal to half v minus v naught replaced by at and t plus v naught t. So x is equal to v naught t plus half at square is the second equation. Okay, now third point is very clear. Again, using x is equal to v minus v naught t by 2 plus v naught t. So now easy, taking the LCM 2 vt minus v naught t plus 2 v naught t. So x is equal to vt plus v naught t by 2, and here is the v plus v naught by 2, and taking the common the t. Okay, this process is a mathematical process, and now applying the next point and next method is very easy. The particle moving A to B, then overall the average value, overall the distance value, then the define of the velocity and time. Okay, so next step is very easy because x is equal to is the convert the v bar. Okay, so this formula is very important, and now next step here. Very simple step, x is equal to v plus v naught by 2t. Now t replaced by, again apply the equation, again apply the definition of acceleration. So now again using a is equal to v minus v naught upon t, and t is equal to v minus v naught upon a. Got it all of you? So put the value here. Now x is equal to v plus v naught by 2 and v minus v naught by a. So now x, numerator and denominator are multiplied. So here is the 2a, v plus v naught and v minus v naught. So x is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Now they are applying the formula a plus b, a minus b. The value is the a square minus b square. So here is the v square minus v naught square upon 2a. Okay. Now cross multiplication. So 2ax is equal to v square minus v naught square. Now minus v square is the transferring the left hand side, so v square is equal to v naught square plus 2ax. This value is the equation number 3rd, is the kinematic equation for the uniform acceleration. Okay, so all of students find out. Now write down this topic in your notebook. Now next point is the kinematic equation for uniform acceleration. Is the B point is the velocity at a certain position are not given in your book. So please you can see here we know that so A is equal to V minus V naught upon T. So V minus V naught is equal to AT is the first equation. You already know this equation. Okay, already know this equation. Now second step is very clear. Average velocity के फॉर्मूले के अकॉर्डिंग एवरेज वेलोसिटी एंड टाइम is equal to displacement. But here the displacement here is the x minus x naught, because final displacement f is the final displacement and x naught is the initial displacement. So there are given the two changeable displacement point because the velocity is certain position. Velocity are created the certain position. So average velocity and here average velocity and time is equal to displacement के point out को हम यहाँ पर read out करेंगे. So average velocity v plus v naught by 2 and time t is equal to displacement x minus x naught. Now v plus v naught t is equal to 2 x minus x naught. So v plus v naught is equal to 2t x minus x naught is equal to equation number 2. Now equation first and second are multiplication. Equation first and second are multiplication. So first of all write down. Okay. Now equation first and second we have, so v plus v naught and v minus v naught 2 upon t x minus x naught and multiplication at. So here is the very simple a square plus b, a minus b, so a square minus b square, and now t are cancelled out, so 2 a x minus x naught. So there are create the first and third equation here. Since s is equal to s minus s naught, then the v square is equal to v square minus v naught square is equal to 2as. Okay, so this formula I also apply. Now write down in your book. Okay, now third point is very interesting. They are not given in your book. Distance covered in an nth second. You can see in this screen there are given some figure. Initially starting point the time is 0. Okay. Now particles are moving. T is equal to n minus 1. T is equal to n second. So particle moving. First of all, t is equal to n second. Then the distance is the sn. And particle moving is equal to t minus n. The distance is the s n minus 1, and here is the distancing in difference nth second. So first of all, now distance traveling formula, in the distance traveling in the first t second, so st is equal to st, it means displacement time के regarding में v naught t plus half at square. First n minus 1, first stop जो आ रहा है n minus 1, it it means t replaced by n minus 1. So Vt is equal to n minus 1 V naught t replaced by n minus 1 plus half a t replaced by n minus 1 plus square. And second step, there is a second step n second. So t replaced by n, and here is the Vn is equal to V naught n plus half a n square. There is the find out the three equation only for the display distance traveling in the nth second. So nth second it means Sn. So first of all write down. Okay, see. Now the distance Sn is equal to distance Sn is equal to find out here the Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay, so Sn is equal to Sn V naught n plus half a n square minus V naught n minus 1 plus half a n minus 1 square. Okay, now yes, now simple mathematics. Sn V naught n plus half a n square minus V naught n minus V naught plus half, it means a by n, and this box is the n square plus 1 minus 2n. Okay, now V naught n plus a n square by 2 minus V naught n minus multiplication minus minus plus V naught plus, in it means convert to minus a n square by 2 minus a n plus a n, because the here is the a by 2 and 2n, so 2 are cancelled out. Okay, now simple using Sn, S naught n is cancelled out, a n square by 2, a n square by 2 are also cancelled out. So remaining Sn is V square here plus, okay, plus value, and then next point is the a n minus a n. Okay, this value is the find out. So simply solution here, Sn is the V naught plus taking the LCM, and taking the LCM, so here is the a by 2 is the common, remaining 2n minus 1. इसको बॉक्स में बना दीजिए. ये nth सेकंड में डिस्टेंस कवर करने का जो फॉर्मूला है वो बुक्स में नहीं है, लेकिन एक्सरसाइज के अंदर कहीं पर भी आपको फाइंड करना हो तो इस टाइप के फॉर्मूले को आप डिफाइन करेंगे. ओनली एंड ओनली फॉर डिस्टेंस के रिगार्डिंग में ही ये केस अप्लाई होगा, अदर देन के रिगार्डिंग में नहीं होगा. सो ऑल स्टूडेंट write down this point. Okay, now next video is uploaded next day. So all of you students, now thank you. लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. ओके, कुछ कमेंट्स अच्छे भी आ रहे हैं, कुछ कमेंट्स और भी अच्छे आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, डिमांड जैसे जैसे बढ़ेगी 11th क्लास की वैसे वैसे मैं वीडियो डालूंगा, क्योंकि 11th क्लास के अंदर न्यू स्टूडेंट आ रहे हैं और न्यू स्टूडेंट को थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है फिजिक्स को कैच करने में. मोस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट की ये प्रॉब्लम्स रहती है कि सर फिजिक्स 10th में था या नहीं था, हमने समझा या नहीं समझा, समझा तो भी प्रॉपर्ली नहीं आया. उसके पीछे रीजन ये था कि वहाँ पर बायोलॉजी का पोर्शन और केमिस्ट्री का पोर्शन ज़्यादा था कोविड-19 के सिलेबस से पहले. अब जो सिलेबस आया है उसमें केमिस्ट्री की भी आप देखना अपने जूनियर्स की सिलेबस को, तो 10th के सिलेबस में आप देखेंगे कि 10th के सिलेबस में से केमिस्ट्री के चैप्टर भी रिमूव किए हैं, बायोलॉजी के भी रिमूव किए, लेकिन फिजिक्स का नहीं किया. तो जो अभी जो प्रेजेंट में जो 10th जिनका रिजल्ट आ गया है, उनके साइंस में बहुत अच्छे या तो मार्क्स है या बहुत कम है, तो उसके पीछे रीजन है आपकी क्रिएटिविटी का। और क्रिएटिविटी हर टीचर सिखाता है स्कूल के अंदर, सारे बच्चे को सिखाता है, लेकिन बच्चा और स्मार्ट बन जाता है। बच्चा ये सोचता है कि जो सिखा रहा है उसे नहीं, बेटा लेवल डायग्राम है तो लेवल डायग्राम ही बनाना है, बेटा फिजिक्स के अंदर सर्किट का डायग्राम है उसमें एरो ड्रॉ करना है तो एरो ड्रॉ करना है। लेकिन हम छोटी छोटी चीजें ही भूलते हैं साइंस में, और वो ही मिस्टेक करती है। ये मैसेज सिर्फ इसलिए सेंड करना जरूरी था कि बच्चे जो साइंस जो ले रहे हैं उनके अंदर एक तरह का एक्साइटेशन देखने को मिले और वो आगे की ओर बढ़े। ओके, थैंक यू।